I'm ready to go to Portofino.
I'm walking to Portofino from the train station. It's like 3 miles or so. Not half bad. Nice view. Here comes ML, right up there with Giorgio Armani. Right up there, ML, all in black. Black is really sophisticated and fashionable. Okay, here's the sign. This is the magic doorway to Portofino. Only the special people can go through, and that would be me. I'm special. Come on. Okay, now we're almost at Portofino, and when we get there, there's probably going to be a throng of people, my fans from the YouTube. They know I'm a celebrity, and so they're just gonna like throng all around us wanting my autograph and stuff. So you gotta go along with it. Okay. Now we're coming into Portofino, okay? And I think the ML fan club said they were gonna meet me right over there. Portofino. Okay, well, we're either early or late for the autograph signing, but any minute now, I know my fans are gonna show up any minute, as soon as they recognize it's me. It's ML. It's ML. It's ML. Hey, do you want my autograph? It's ML.
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
You do want my autograph? Yeah, because I'm celebrity, you know. Big celebrity, big celebrity. Here we go. Because it's ML.
Just put a
Look
sign
at
here.
that. ML. And then I make a little smiley
Thank
face.
you,
Look
Thank
at that.
you so much.
Okay.
I really
Okay.
like you.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you like the show. She likes the show. Okay, you're with the fan club.
Today you came here, madam?
What?
Today you came
Yes, today I came because my fans are here. You're #1 fan.
Thank you,
So
madam.
thank
Thank
you.
you. I'm really happy to
Okay.
have you here.
Arrivederci, everybody. Bye-bye.